In this video, I will show you how to find long-tail keywords in Semrush. First, log into your Semrush account. Once you're logged in, you will see your dashboard. On the left side is your menu list where you can find all the tools and settings. Next, go to the left side of your screen and pop out your menu list. Scroll down and click on Keyword Magic Tool. Once you're on the Keyword Magic toolboard, type the keyword you want to research, for example, digital marketing. You can also select your target country before clicking search. After that, you will see a full list of related keywords. To focus on long-tail keywords, look for phrases with 3 or more words and lower keyword difficulty. You can also use the include and exclude keywords filters on top to narrow your results even more. And that's how to find long-tail keywords in SEMrush.